this is Semko from Semko Painting and Decorating. Today we have a really good project going on. The kind of stuff I like to do, because you can see the difference between before and after. It's gonna be a massive difference, because this project is old roller dough that the paint's spilling off from. When we wash it and paint it, it's gonna be massive difference on it. And this is the roller dough, and you can see how bad the paint's coming off it. Like 70% of the paint is off, but we still need to wash it to wash the rest of the paint that's there, and some of it is still there on top, as you can see. I'm gonna use a high pressure cleaner. This is the pressure cleaner that I'm gonna use. It's a Honda GX 630. It's got the tank with 500 liters of water. On this project I'm gonna use hot water as well, combined with the high pressure. This is a hot water system. It can be adjusted here. So pretty much we are set to do this project, and I'm gonna keep you posted on the way. The first step was removing all the loose paint, but there's still some paint left over, so we're gonna use a paint stripper to remove the rest of the paint. There's not much left over anyhow, but paint stripper will take that off. So yeah, that's gonna be the next step, paint stripping small patches of paint that are left over. Pressure clean the roller dough with a bit of masking, all the handles and where the keyholes are, mask everything, and get ready for the spray painting undercoat. And that's gonna happen shortly. The paint I'm using is edge primer undercoat. and then I'm gonna use quick rust, quick dry for the top coat. Now we're gonna do the top coat. So I'm gonna repeat the process. First you wash the roller dough, then put a edge primer on it. But when you wash it, make sure you wash all the paint, otherwise the edge primer is gonna eat it. So you have to sand it all over again. Light sand and then top coat. The first coat is dry now, so we're gonna do the second coat, spray paint, and after that just wait for drying and it's gonna be finished. And that's about it. That's how you do the roller dough or any spray painting on any steel, doors and etc.